Today I'm going to show you how to manage locked roles in Discord voice chat, step by step, so you can control exactly who can join, speak, or use specific permissions in your server's voice channels. This is really useful if you want to keep a private room for moderators, create a locked staff channel, or simply fine-tune access for different roles without having to rework your whole server setup. If you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more Discord tips and tutorials. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open Discord and go to your server. Make sure you're on the correct server where you want to manage the voice channel permissions. Once you're inside, find the voice channel you want to edit. This can be any voice room in your server, whether it's for general chat, a private team space, or a locked members-only channel. Now right-click the voice channel. A menu will appear with several options, and from here, you want to select Edit Channel. This opens the settings for that specific voice channel, which is where you can control all the important options like name, bitrate, user limits, and most importantly, permissions. Inside the channel settings, look for the Permissions tab and click it. This is where Discord lets you manage who can do what inside the channel. Permissions are what control access, so this is the key area for locking or allowing roles in your voice chat. Once you're in the Permissions tab, click on Roles Agiles/Members. This section lets you choose whether you want to manage permissions for a specific role or for individual members. Since we're focusing on locked roles, selecting a role is the best place to start. Next, select the role you want to manage. You'll see a list of roles available in your server, and you can click the one you want to adjust. This could be a role like admin, moderator, staff, VIP, or any custom role you've created. After selecting it, Discord will show you all of the available permissions for that role in the channel. Now comes the important part. If you want to allow a permission for that role, click the tick next to the permission, then save the changes. The tick means that role is explicitly allowed to use that permission in the voice channel. This is useful when you want a role to have access even if it doesn't have the permission by default elsewhere in the server. If you want to lock a permission for that role, click the X next to the permission, then save the changes. The X means you are explicitly denying that permission in this channel. This is how you create a locked role setup, because even if the role might normally have access, the channel permission override will block it here. Take your time and review each permission carefully before saving. In Discord, channel permissions can override broader server permissions, so it's important to be deliberate about what you allow and what you lock. If your goal is a private voice chat, you may want to lock permissions for most roles and only allow the exact role or members who should enter. After you've made your changes, click Save Changes if Discord prompts you to do so. Your settings should now be active, and the selected role will be managed according to the permissions you just set. That's really all there is to it. So to recap, you open Discord, go to your server, right-click the voice channel, choose Edit Channel, open Permissions, click Roles/Members, select the role, use the tick to allow a permission, use the X to lock a permission, and then save your changes. That is how you manage locked roles in Discord voice chat. If this video helped you out, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss the next Discord tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.